Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make programs open with a custom keyboard shortcut on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. You might want to do this to make it easier to open some of your most used programs, games and applications. You should be able to select most keys to combine to make a shortcut, but just bear in mind if you want to change it to one that is already used. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. The best way to do it is to first search for the app you want to make a keyboard shortcut for. You can search for the app in the Start menu. For example, we'll search for Audacity. It should say App under its name in the Start menu, and the next thing to do is right-click on it and then choose Open File Location. This should open File Explorer, and in here it should automatically highlight the app you chose. Although if it didn't, you can find it within here. Right-click on the app again and this time choose Properties, which should be at the bottom of the list. This will open a new window and you need to make sure you are in the Shortcut tab, but you should be in there by default. Look for where it says Shortcut Key and then click once in the box to the right, and now press the keys you want to be the shortcut. These keys should appear in the box, and then all you need to do is click on OK or Apply at the bottom to save these changes. You can now test it out to see if it worked. And so that is how to make programs open with a custom keyboard shortcut on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows 10 PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below. And if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.